Welcome to the tutorial, Electronics Made Simple, Part 1. Basic Electronics. Electronics is not a subject that can be explained through simple tutorial videos. So, I only provide basic information to understand what electronics are, and what components are commonly used in electronic circuits. This is because a basic knowledge of electronics is essential for the designing of printed circuit board. This tutorial will give you a brief overview on the major components used in the field of electronics. In electronics, all equipment is designed and function with the utilization of the following four types of electronic components that are known as R, L, C and H. R. Resistor. L. Inductor. C. Capacitor. H. Hardware items such as connectors, switches, plugs, relays, transformers, jacks, etc. Many subcategories are included in the above four categories. As it is not possible to explain everything through this tutorial, here, I'm providing a basic awareness about electronic parts and their working. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel, as most updates are available to subscribers on time. Let's start with the main components used in electronics for the first time. Resistors. The resistor is an important part of electronics, and it works in two ways. A resistor controls the current in an electronic circuit as needed. The resistor supplies power to a circuit according to the requirements of the device. The resistors control the current flowing through it as per the density of the materials that are used to manufacture. The value of efficiency is known as ohm. The Greek letter omega is using as the symbol for ohms. Depends upon the requirement and place of use. Resistors are commonly known as carbon, metal film, and wire wound resistors. Making resistors with a particular value is not easy, so that it is making with a tolerance value. The value of tolerance comes to a maximum of 10%. This means the rated value given on resistance shall be applicable in plus or minus 10%. For example, 100 ohm resistor comes with a tolerance of 10%, means those resistors can be used in the place where the requirement is in between 90 ohms to 110 ohms. However, the more accurate value of resistances, also manufacturing, for the use of critical types of equipment, but that also comes with a tolerance of 1 to 2%. Wherever the current is resisting in circuits, there of heat also happens. So that heat should be produced in the areas where a resistor is using. To control the heat, resistors are making in different sizes, and it is called watt. Commonly, resistors are available in 1/4, half, 1 and 2 watts. Depends upon different place of use, resistors are manufactured at a high watt rate also. The value of resistors is marked with different colors. The colors and their values are given here. Black 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, gray 8, white 9. Colors of tolerance: silver 10%, gold 5%, brown 1%, red 2%. Look at the table given here to find the colors and its values in detail. First color, second color and the third color for multiplication is shown in detail. First color. Second color. Third color for multiplication. Colors of tolerance. To be continued in next part. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to get new videos and updates.